Man, oh man, it was an absolute war scene in crypto yesterday and for this entire week, honestly. I mean, we saw Bitcoin hit $32,000, but it was a nice buying opportunity for a lot of people. We saw EverGrow Coin dip a lot, and now I don't want to say it's a reversal, but there might be a reversal happening, and you'll find out later in this video. But first, leave a like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Now let's get into the update. 60721590 is the current price of EverGrow Coin. Keep in mind that over 50% of you guys are not subscribed to my channel. So you guys just be sitting here watching my content and do not hit the subscribe button. Help me hit 2K. Help me. But congratulations myself, because I have hit 1,200K, 1.2K on YouTube. $342.8 million in trading, in a market cap. And you can see there's a lot of buys happening. See, now the buys are starting to show. We have a $21,000 buy. We have a $4,000 buy. I believe I saw something even bigger earlier today. A couple of $100 buys and stuff like that. So it's all accumulating into some big juicy buys. Someone else bought $5,700 worth of EverGrow Coin, and people just keep buying it up, and I don't blame them. Someone else bought 1.2K of EverGrow Coin, but the holders are increasing as well. We are at 132,000 holders. So milestone achieved, guys. This is great. This is good news for EverGrow Coin, and EverGrow Coin is up 18.6%, and the crypto market is up 5.9%, which is muchly needed because the crypto market is currently sitting at $1.76 trillion in market cap value, which, if you're not aware, back in November, the market cap of crypto was at 3.5 trillion, if I'm not mistaken. I'm pretty sure it's at 3.5 trillion. So yeah, we dipped heavily. We dropped almost a whole 50%, but we're coming back now. I believe we're coming back right now, and I'm about to, like I said, I'm gonna explain that later. But the Bitcoin dominance is up, but that doesn't matter. Ethereum's dominance is trying to make it rise back up, but at the same time, you're seeing EverGrow Coin, you're seeing other crypto tokens, the other altcoins outside of Ethereum and Bitcoin going up. If you don't believe me, and the trading volume is up to $132 billion, which is great because EverGrow Coin is $1.2 million in trading volume. And what does that high trading volume mean necessarily? It means that there's a lot of money being distributed out to all the altcoins and just being distributed out through all of crypto. Usually when the 24 trading volume is down, then that means that EverGrow Coin's trading volume is down as well. But this is great news because that means we're receiving rewards, and also the dev wallet has more fuel to burn tokens. Now, let's get over to look at some of these other cryptos. You're seeing Bitcoin down 0.1% for the last 24 hours. You're seeing Ethereum up 2.5%. So my fault, they are actually up. Tether is down 1.4%. And so is the USDC. But Binance token is up. This is also contributing to EverGrow Coin's rise. Cardano is up. Solana is up. XRP is up. Terra is up. You're seeing all these cryptos that are up right now. And the real question is, why is EverGrow Coin and other cryptos up? Well, in Motley Fool's video, they basically talk about how that a lot of cryptos went down, but then as Saturday afternoon and early evening, as many altcoins began pairing their losses and what seemed to be perished the thought, the opening stages of recovery after a terrible week began to happen. One prominent example of this was Cardano, which was down by only 3% in the late trading day, and now down as much as 16% in the past 24 hours. Two peers, Phantom and Binance, and now they're making their way back up. Now, so what? Zooming out of the wider cryptoverse, it seems that the tokens with more utility and or greater potential in their blockchains are posting the narrowest losses and speedier recoveries. Cardano, Phantom, and Binance Coin all sit on some of the most promising and high-profiling blockchain projects in the sector. In the case of both Cardano and Phantom, they're seeing seen by many to be frontrunners to knock Ethereum off its perch as the leader in smart contract functionality. Binance Coin, meanwhile, is the native token of Binance, which happens to be the largest crypto exchange on the planet. We already know this. Now let's get to now what. Of course, this apparent recovery might be the product of opportunists buying from investors and convinced that the wider crypto market has either hit or is near the bottom. I'm one of those people that believe that that all the cryptos hit its bottom when Bitcoin hit $32,000. I don't think it can go any lower than that based off of what I've seen in the past in crypto. We should exercise caution here then. After all, to my mind, the big factor that helped trigger this recent rout is still in force. The planned inflation fighting measures by monetary authorities that include interest rate hikes that are likely to be of a significant size. Depending on how steep and immediate these are, they could still drain plenty of investor capital out of more speculative instruments like cryptocurrencies. So they said it better than I could have said it, or they just said it for me. EverGrow Coin and other cryptos are coming back up right now, and that's because people are actually saying that cryptocurrencies have something to offer, which is great. This is good news. This is not just good news in the fact that people are actually going to buy in right now and stuff like that, and it's going to go back up for a little while. No, this is good news because now you're seeing a shift in how things are going. For like, you're seeing a shift in paradigm of now people are actually noticing that some of these cryptos actually are good investments while inflation rates are going up. People are noticing the EverGrow coins. They're noticing the other cryptos that are not just based off the market and not based off of solely Bitcoin success. They're noticing that there's cryptos that actually have real utility out there, and the tokens with real utility out there are going to see some nice gains right now because people. I mean, that's why people were actually leaving crypto. They were actually leaving because they felt like they didn't know that there was cryptos that didn't have high interest rates, or didn't have not high interest rates, but didn't have good yields or whatever to really profit, even if their token went down. So they was leaving and going to dividend stocks or just prepping the best way they knew possible, probably going to gold as well, for the interest rate hikes and the inflation. But now they're actually noticing that there's tokens like EverGrow Coin, there's tokens like Cardano, tokens like Binance Coin that all have utility. And guys, we want Binance Coin to win because Binance Coin is also they're like our parent. Binance is our parent because that's our source token. That's the token that EverGrow Coin is based off of. So we want Binance to do good because if Binance does good, then more than likely EverGrow Coin is going to do great as well. Especially with it being an altcoin, we're going to see really good gains compared to how the gains that Binance are seeing. But thank you guys all for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe if you are new to the channel. And let me know if you enjoyed this content, and let me know how you feel. Do you feel like the reversal is happening right now, or do you feel like it's going to need more time before it's a full reversal? I think it's going to be a little bit more time before we see a full reversal, but the little investor in me and the little trader in me wants it to be right here right now, that this full reversal is taking off and I can smile and look at my wallet 2x because I bought some of these dips. I got into the sale. I got into the sale. Who can blame me? All right, when you've been in crypto as long as me, you can't not buy the dip. You just can't not buy the dip, even if it puts you in debt. But thank you guys all for watching. Crypto Legend signing out. Peace.